Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2017 Ford Transit equipped with the rear entry power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We will first open up the back doors. And then you can use this hand pendant here to bring the lift down. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. As we make our way inside, this one here is going to have additional seats. This seat in the middle flips out of the way. Now that the seat is flipped out of the way, you will be able to fit two wheelchairs at the same time. We got two stationary seats in the back here. And you also have an additional two seats in the front. And this van here only has 55,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. You can set the hand pendant back and close the doors. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 55,000 miles. And here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.